If you're watching this video right now, then I can probably tell that you have a smartphone and an active internet connection. Then good, you are in a good shape to make money online. Trust me, with just a smartphone and internet connection, you can actually change your life in the next 1 to 6 months time, provided that you watch this video to the very end and listen to every single thing I'm about to recommend to you in this video. So for the past 10 years right now, like, there are countless millionaires who have been made just from their smartphone, and I can say I'm one of them who was able to get lucky and got on the smartphone hustle at a very tender age. And trust me, to date, that's one thing that I'm always thankful for, that I was able to have access to smartphone that actually changed my life. And this can also happen to you provided you watch this video till the very end. So before we get started with today's video, I just want to thank you all for actually helping me hit this new milestone of 3,000 subscribers. I'm really grateful. And with that said, let's get started with today's video. But before we get started, if you are new here, hello guys, welcome to my channel, Perez Tech. And on this channel, one thing I focus on is how you and I can make money online. Like, I'm sharing online business ideas and also sharing tips on how you can take your blog to the next level. So if that sounds like you don't want to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel at the very end as well. So with that already said, let's get started. Let me share with you these 5 smart hustle ideas that you can actually start today and start making some good amount of money. Trust me. So the first one I have on my list that you can actually start with your smartphone from today is actually through teaching. So there are a lot of websites out there that you can actually start teaching and be paid. Like, trust me, there are some websites that are willing to offer a minimum of $14 up to like unlimited amount of dollar per every single hour you get to lecture someone on the internet. And do you know the most interesting thing about this one? You don't have to own any sort of degree to start teaching these people, because most of them, there are various class ranges and there are various things you can teach on this website to actually get paid. You can also get paid just by teaching people the language you and I speak, which is English. There are some people on there that are looking for who can lecture them English, and you can be one of those people and get paid as well. So without talking much and then showing the probability of how much you can actually make, let me just take you on my desktop right now and show you 3 simple websites that are willing to pay you for you to start teaching people. So the first website on my list when it comes to website where you can teach people and get paid is actually VIP Kid. So VIP Kid happens to be one of my favorites, which agreed to pay you a minimum of $14 to $22 per hour. So you should expect your payment to be in between $14 and $22 per hour. So assuming you are earning $14, which is the minimum here per hour, that is, if you teach for 10 hours, that's $140 already per day. And if you teach less also, that's the same thing. And one thing here is that you teach when you want, no lesson planning, they give you the plan and you follow it, competitive payment. And to get approval is really easy with them because they don't require any sort of documentation. All you need to do is be able to speak English fluently and you can come here. But if you are not good at English also, there's no problem at all. But let you know, don't come over to this website, just like use the links down in this description to actually sign up, and so that you don't go and end up in the fake website. And the other one here is called Preply. So Preply is another place you can teach language. So over here on Preply, unlike VIP Kid where you only teach English, over here on Preply you don't teach only English. You can teach any single language at all. Like, you can see we have English, Spanish, French, Chinese, Italian, German, Arabic, Japanese, Portuguese. So if you are someone who can speak multiple languages, then trust me, you are already way ahead. You can see there are various languages you can start teaching here and start making money from it. Over here, I believe when you are signing up for the application, that's when you are going to see how much they are offering to pay you, and you can come and read their information before you sign up. So that is the advice I always give to every single person here. Before you come and join any of this website that I'm recommending, do well to actually check out every single information they want you to read. Like, read their frequently asked questions to know more about them, read their white paper, find information about them, confirm more information before you apply, so that when you're applying you'll be fully in a good shape to actually get approval and join the right class and then join the right website, so you don't end up wasting your time. And the next one here is actually what we call tutor.com. So tutor.com is also a place where you can come and teach, and over here on tutor.com you are not limited to teaching languages alone. No, you can teach every single thing you wish to teach, so it's not just languages. So that's one advantage you have here. So you can come over here and click on become a tutor, and here they have a tutorial video for you that you can also watch, and you can come over here and read more about them to know more information about them, so you can start your own teaching career and start making money. Trust me, this is really easy. You can't be speaking multiple languages or have any skill and not teach it, and you can exactly do that on this website and start making money from it. So now let's move to the next one. So that was it about the first method, which was through teaching whatever skill, whatever thing you know you can teach, including the language you speak day in, day out. And then the second one on my list is actually crypto trading. So crypto trading, if you're a beginner here and you know nothing about cryptocurrency, So cryptocurrency are simply digital currency, like you have Naira if you're in Nigeria, CDC if you're in Ghana, US dollar if you're in the United States, and also the British pounds if you live in the United Kingdom. So these are this cryptocurrency, and we also have this set of cryptocurrency that are very volatile. Like cryptocurrency are very volatile as compared to fiat currencies. So in case you don't understand what crypto trading is, crypto trading is simply a process of buying and selling cryptocurrency for profit. And there are various type of ways of trading, and I personally, I'm a crypto trader, and this is what I teach on my new YouTube channel called Perez Hustle. The name will be on the screen right now, and then the link will be in this video section, and you can also go to the channels tab on this channel also to see my new YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it if you are interested in learning about crypto trading, and I'll be recommending one of those videos from my other channel at the top there, so you can check it out for more videos to learn more about crypto trading. So crypto trading is really a very profitable business model, more like if you have an idea of how forex trading works. We also have those set of trading in cryptocurrency industry as well, and I personally trade cryptocurrency. Yes, in case you don't know, I'm personally a crypto trader. Like, as I told you, like I mainly focus on hustles. I don't do any 9 to 5 job. So any hustle on the internet that I think actually generates money, then I'm likely to be doing it, because crypto was what actually brought me to the digital space at first before I got into blogging. And you can also get started with crypto trading today. So if you want to get started with crypto trading, I'm not recommending any website for you here. One thing I would recommend is that first of all, go and learn the basic foundation around cryptocurrency, then learn how you can start trading and pick a particular trading pattern that you want to trade. Like me, I pick the futures trading, though I do other sort of trading, but my main sort of trading is the futures trading. And you can go and learn more about it and also start making money through crypto trading. Like there are several ways in which you can make money through cryptocurrency, and I'll be linking it in that my video as I said, and you can also check out my channel. So that is about the second one on our list, is strictly through crypto trading. Now let's move to the third one on my list. So the third method on my list is actually being a virtual assistant. So in case you don't know what virtual assistant means, virtual assistant is simply a process whereby you help business owners or entrepreneurs, help them complete tasks on the internet and get paid on hourly basis. So most of the first virtual assistant website that a lot of people, myself, I've been recommending on YouTube are really oversaturated. So I'm going to share with you 3 key websites that you can actually go and start your virtual assistant career. That, trust me, they will approve you regardless of the part of the world you are from. Like no matter where you are from, these websites are going to approve you, and at the same time, like it will be easier for you to withdraw whatever money you have. And this website are websites that have active job for anyone who is interested in becoming a virtual assistant. So when it comes to virtual assistant, there are literally a lot of things you can actually do in the virtual assistant work. This could be by helping business owners write normal mails, helping them pick calls, like helping them arranging emails, booking flights. Like this easy things are things you can do as a virtual assistant and get paid. And like I even connect people to people one-on-one for a virtual assistant work. Like when I'm very busy and I have a very tight schedule and I know I can't take up the job, I do connect people who physically to also do those jobs, and I know how virtual assistant is paying. That's why I added here as my third option when it comes to making money online. So let me take out my computer and share with you 3 simple websites that you can actually get started with today. So when it comes to a website for freelancing, the first one I can recommend is freelancer.com. So unlike Fiverr, Upwork, that's overcrowded with profiles with fake reviews just to get job, when you come over to freelancer.com, it's pretty much new in the industry. Like people don't use it that much, so it's more easier for you to actually get job here on freelancer.com. And this is really very interesting, because once you sign up here, they connect you to people who are looking for people to actually help them perform tasks, and then when they get the job done, which is you joining to actually perform this tasks. And this is really simple. So when you come over to the best virtual assistant work, freelancer.com is a good place for you to actually start. Or if you come, another one here is Zeshua. So as I said, the links will be down in the description, so you don't get to confuse yourself. So Zeshua is also one of the best platforms when it comes to virtual assistant work, because if you can hear from the name alone, it says Zeshua, which directly referring to virtual assistant, but they don't want to make it sound like virtual and direct. So you can come over here and sign up and read. As I said, always read their terms and conditions and frequently ask questions before you actually get started with this website. Because so we are already more than halfway gone. As I said, I'll be sharing 5 ways with you, and I've already shared 3 with you. So if you are still watching this video, consider smashing on that subscribe button. Now I'm about to get into the 2 main gold mine of what actually changed my life when it comes to making money online. Trust me, these 2 things actually changed my life. So starting with the first one, which is actually what I call the video content creation, like what I'm doing right now. So the video content creation is mainly the new trend in town right now. Like if you go to Nigeria, almost pardon me to say this, but more than 50% of Nigeria youth are currently into video content creation. because that's one of the easiest ways to make money online these days. Because with that one, with your smartphone, you don't even need the laptop to get started. So you don't even need any good setup to get started. So if you've been watching my channel for the past 1-2 years, you will know that I actually started recording in my bedroom. Like I used to record at night using my room light with my Android 5 years. By then I was actually using an Android 5 to actually record those videos. And even till I'm still using an Android phone, I'm not using an iOS to actually do this. And you can get started with content creation. And with content creation, trust me, there's no limit to the amount of money you can make. As long as you can be uploading content consistently, be it on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, trust me, you have high chance of actually making money from it. And if you ask me which platform I would recommend to you to start content creation, I'm going to recommend 2 main platforms. That is YouTube and Facebook. So why did I say these are the 2 main platforms? One, with YouTube, no matter which part of the world you are from, you can actually monetize. Like for example, I'm in Ghana. I live in Ghana here, and I monetize on YouTube. We have people who live in India and they monetize their Indian YouTube channel. Like no matter the part of the world you are from, you can actually monetize your YouTube channel. And this is one thing that I actually love about YouTube that made me recommend it. And then talking of why I'm recommending Facebook as a second option to go to is that with Facebook you can also monetize from everywhere, but as it is currently, you will need someone in the United States to actually help you do some things, like someone in the United States, I mean in the United Kingdom, to help you do some things, get your account approved. Then they will be receiving this payment and then sending to you. So that's one drawback I think about Facebook, and I'm wondering why every other country, every other platform is actually accepting people, but Facebook seems to be mainly focusing on those countries. But over the game, Facebook is still good, and I believe over the years they will expand to actually reach every global part as well. Unlike TikTok, with TikTok, I think they mainly pay through this thing through PayPal, and for you to be able to monetize on TikTok, you need to be in the United States or the United Kingdom, and that's really a minus for me. Like it looks stressful. So how do you expect me to be creating content from Africa, but before I can monetize, my account must be in either from the United States or the United Kingdom. So if you don't have anyone who can create this account in those 2 countries for you, then you are probably not going to make money from it. That's why I did not recommend TikTok. Like on this channel, I try my possible best to be honest with you with every hustle idea I share with you. So talking of how much you can make from content creation, I'll be honest with you, there's no limit to the amount of money you can make, because you can make money through recommending products, you can make money through ads that display on your video. Like I believe before you watch this video, you saw an ad that you couldn't skip. Like you can make money through sponsored content, like people do pay for you to like create videos about their business and things. So these are other ways in which you can make money through content creation. Like content creation is actually the gold mine, and I believe it will be the longest video here, the longest chapter here in this video actually. So now that is it about content creation. Trust me, you can get started with this with your smartphone. Like as I'm recording here with you right now, I'm using a tripod stand to hold my phone, but I'm not even using the ring light because I'm using my direct window light. This will tell you that you don't need any huge setup to start your YouTube channel. And if you think you need a huge setup to start your YouTube channel, go back to this channel, filter the videos to like 1 year ago, and see the sort of ways my videos used to look. Still, I'm still getting views and still making money from it, and you can also do this as well. So that's about the 5th point on my list, which is actually video content creation. Now let's move to the 5th point. I trust me, this 5th point will actually surprise you, because this 5th point was where I made my first $1 on the internet. Coming over to the 5th point is actually, I know a lot of people will be like, no, don't recommend it, don't recommend. But I'm going to recommend it. It's simply starting a blog. So a blog is more of an online journal where you simply share your opinion and then make money through it. So when it comes to blogging, I'll be honest with you, the first 1 year will be really tough for you. But if you can be consistent within that first 1 year, like you just broke the code right now. But one thing that is making blog look difficult these days is that every single person who is trying to get started with blogging have this mentality that they only want to monetize with AdSense. Like I also noticed that on this channel, whenever I create videos on other profitable ideas on how you can make money through blogging, only few people actually watch. But when I create videos around AdSense, tutorials and the rest, like I'll get thousands of watches. But this is what people don't understand. That same amount of traffic you need to make $1,000 on Google AdSense. That same amount of traffic can also make you over $5,000 to $10,000 in other ways in which you can monetize your blog, and this is really important. And if you want to get started with blogging today, I'm offering a class, a one-on-one coaching class on how you can get started with your blog. Like I'm offering everything from start to finish, and I'm also currently working on my first ebook about how I actually started my blog at age 16. Yes, I was 16 years old when I started online hustles back in the back in my secondary school days when I actually started. I was 16 years old, but then I started, I failed, and my first major pickup actually came when I was it 18 years to 19 years old. Was when I made my first $1 as a blogger. And trust me, it was really a nice journey because I wanted to give up, but after the day I made that first $1, I realized that what is the essence of actually giving up when I've been able to make $1? Why can't I scale it up? Because there's this quote going around that if a business can give you $1, then if you keep on working on it, that business is likely to give you $10 and $100, and all starts with a gradual process. And I'm happy that after I saw that $1, I did not stop. I keep on learning and keep on pushing, keep on investing in it. And right now, I can tell you that like I'm proud to be a blogger because I don't even kill myself publishing millions of articles on the internet every month to get paid. No, like I can go a whole month and publish only 4 articles now. Unlike before that I got started, I have to publish 2 to 3 articles every week. Now I don't kill myself. Reason being that 1, I don't focus on ad revenue. 2, like I don't care about the number of random visitors I get. What I care about is the quality of the visitors I get. So when I create one blog post, I convert it to different sort of content and share on other platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, LinkedIn. Like I simply republish this content on various platforms to give myself more different sort of audience and gather onto my website. And those ones give me quality audience. Because people who watch this video and come over to my website to visit are what I call quality audience, and those audience are likely to purchase any product I recommend in my videos. Like on YouTube here, I mainly don't recommend product that much. Yeah, that's true, but maybe because I haven't really got into that YouTube product recommendation of a thing, though I'll be doing that soon. But currently, I'm working on my own ebook that I'll be releasing soon. So that is about the 5th way in online. At least on how you can actually make money online is actually through blogging. And I hope you find this video helpful. And if you think you want to get started with any of these ideas that I just shared with you, but you don't know where exactly to start from and you need a little discussion, don't forget to reach out to me on Instagram. All my contact details will be down in the video description. Like I'm always open to assisting you. So that is about the 5th point, is actually start a blog.